Here I have Umidigi A3S, and today I'm going to show you how to set up this device. So first of all, you have to select your preferred language. For example, I'll stay with English. Then you can select your region with the English language. Then tap Start. Then you can connect your SIM card if you have one, but if you don't have one on you, you can just skip this step for now and connect SIM card anytime later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any open Wi-Fi network around you can just skip this step and connect to the Wi-Fi later. Then you have to set up your date and time. Then you have Google services. If you want them, you can just leave them. If you don't want them, you have the opportunity to disable them, like me. But in any case, you will have to disable Google terms of service and privacy policy. You will have to accept them. Then you can set up your fingerprint, but you can skip this step for now and set up fingerprint anytime later. Then you can set up any other lock screen method, but you can just skip this step for now and do this anytime later in settings. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.